Hello everyone, how's it going? Hope you're doing well. So I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to talk about a mic as the title suggests. So a few of my friends were telling me to get a mic because the vlog that I made on Saraswati Puja, the audio was not that good and clear. So they were just suggesting me to get a mic, and at first I tried to shoot with my headphones only, but I was not quite happy with the sound quality. So मैंने सोचा कि आज नहीं तो कल mic तो लेना ही है. So let's just get one. And right now I am wearing this mic, and this is why you can feel this difference in the quality of the sound today. So I just wanted to share this experience with you guys, and in case you have started a new YouTube channel, or for some reason you are planning to get a mic for yourself, then this might be helpful for you. I wanted a mic under 500. I didn't want to spend a lot in my first mic only. I mean, I'm just a beginner. I went to a lot of review videos on YouTube, and there I found two options for me. The first one was the boat one, and the second one was the mono one. And I felt like the mono one was perfect for me. You can definitely buy the boat one if you like. It's totally up to you, but it's just my personal preference. I felt like this one is affordable, and also the sound quality was also quite good. So that is why I got this one. So let me tell you, this video is not sponsored. I have bought this mic with my own money. So some people have this misunderstanding, so I'm just being clear over here. This video is not sponsored, okay? So let me show you the unboxing first.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Filling up with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Filling up with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Filling up with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do.
So if you are a student and you don't have that much budget, but you still want to buy a mic, then you can definitely go with this one, with my mono one. So I ordered it from Amazon, and it costed me, so it retails for $6.99, but it costed me around 400 to 500. I'll mention the price somewhere around. So now I'm going to show you the difference. So I have unplugged the mic from my phone, and now it's just the audio of my phone. So now I'll put this mic again, and you will see the difference. So yeah. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also share this video if you want to. So yeah, see you next time. Bye bye, take care, love you all.